Hai, Assalamualaikum to my supervisor, Madam Hajah Izzati binti Muhammad Ghazali, and my examiner, Sir alias Penderaman, and my name is Nur Atira binti Banuddin. I'm from class CS650 so I would like to present my final year project, which is car workshop recommendation system using collaborative filtering technique. Background study for this project is car workshop have various tools and requirements used to repair a car in a different of way. Also, car issues are being faced by people and not all of them have skill to repair the car. However, this recommendation system is very important to help people to make decisions, and we recommend suitable workshop for users to service their car. This project has two problem statements. For the first one, it is difficult to find workshop inside Jansen campus area. Finding the correct workshop is not easy, and there are a lot of other aspects that need to take into consideration when choosing a workshop. They do not know where the nearest car workshop. So, based on the survey conducted, among 41 respondents from students of UiTM Cawangan Melaka campus Jasin, 39% of the respondents found it's very hard to find, and 56% hard to find. Other only 4% easy to find car workshop. Besides, 19% answered they would prefer to be suggested to find the nearest car workshop. For the second point in the problem statement, do not enough time to find car workshop. According to the survey, 92.7% agree that there not enough time to find suitable car workshop, contrast with the other 7.3%. While most of all, majority of the respondents answered the process consume a lot of time. Because of that, the longer that the customers spend time to search and can save money for the fuel and more use. Objective for this project, for the first one, to design a recommendation web-based system for car workshop. For the second point, to develop a recommendation web-based system for car workshop. And the third point, to test the functionality of the system. Scope for this system only focusing on Student University and Logi Mara Melaka campus Jasin, in which information and data collection only related to student problems. Also, this system to recommending workshop for users who are looking for car service. Based on the problem statement, there are the proper solution to making objective project successfully. For the first one, to put recommendation system for user to find car workshop, and also this system easy to build in web-based platform. Based on the figure, this is the interface that proposed in this project. In this project has a several system flowchart, which is flowchart of the system, flowchart detail process collaborative filtering technique, and flowchart API engine collaborative. Based on the flowchart system, when user already enter into the system, they no need to log in or create an account. The main page will be direct display. At the main page have button tell me more function to recommend. Then before the data display, collaborative filtering will calculate data based on rating and display list of workshops that available in the area. After that, user can click any list and the detail about the workshop will be displayed. Other than that, if user want to explore more than other workshop, will be go back to the list of workshop. If not, it will go to the end. For the next flowchart, which is detailed process for collaborative when using API engine. Collaborative filtering technique that filter out what a user wants based on the user preference. It operates by searching for a large number of individuals and discovering the user selection of user with the same interest as the same single person. Based on the figure, the data recommend a result based on the previous user and the collaborative API display would calculate the result based on the previous user review. It look the thing that they want, then combine them into the order to create the ranked list of the recommendation. Flowchart API technique. This system uses API collaborative technique to get the best result for recommendation. Gazelle is an HTTP PHP client that made it easy to send HTTP requests and easy to connect with the web service. Based on the figure, Laravel application send data using Gazelle to post requests in the database event server, which is pgadmin. After that, use command to store data into API engine and request train model using Gazelle. Web service taking data, then train from engine to display. System demo. First of all, I will show my main page, which is in main page have several functions, which is have a drop down function, have a button to go to the list of the recommendation, and also have a Google Map. That in Google Map display all the type of car workshop near UiTM Jasin. Either the workshop has available service or not. And also I have a about page. This about page just to give some awareness for user to carrying their car. Okay, go back to the home page. Before that, before the system will recommend, the system must to run some code in console to make sure the engine is running. So go to my recommendation, go train, pure deploy, okay, engine is deployed and running. So to make sure this engine is running, okay, we see in localhost 8000, and yeah, this is the information about the engine server, that the engine is running, what time, or everything is about engine lah. So go back to the main page. Okay, so let's say the user choose the car repair and maintenance, and then click the button that, and then yeah, we list, this is list recommendation workshop that based on the user choose in the main page. So all the data list out based the calculation of the rating carry out in API engine. So all the list have done arrangement generate by the engine. So you can see this rating 4.5, 3, and so on. They sorted from the last star to the lowest star. So let's say the user want to more detail about the workshop, the user can click view detail, and then in this page we display all the detail, which is shop name, address, number phone, and also rating. This rating carry out from the API engine. Okay, if user want to see another detail about another workshop, can go back and can click any button that a user want to see. Okay, so go back to the home page. Okay, let's try if user wanted to see tire to service their car tire. So we recommend click the button and then we'll list out the list recommendation workshop, which is in this page will list out all the tire service. So same function, if user want to more see detail about the shop, can click the view detail and then display all the things. So go back to the home page. So I want to show the database engine, which is in this data event server. All the data that will show in the interface. The rating we calculate based in this engine, and then all the CSV file have done save in the engine server. So when user click anything, that the rating is based on the engine server. And also I have another DB, which is this database just to save all the detailed workshop to display in interface. So this is service type table and cover table. So all the data that display on interface will show based on the ID, which is this service type, and then this engine will calculate and display to the interface. My system just to recommend to user that where the best shop in area UiTM Jasin. In the future work of this project, the project should be able to recognize more type of service. This project also should have in mobile application, since most of people on this day have their smartphone. The conclusion for this project, car workshop recommendation system using collaborative filtering, was made to solve the problems that in chapter 1. Basically, the concept of this system will be used to have finding the workshop by using collaborative filtering technique. Besides, this system has achieved to solve all the problem statements stated in chapter 1. This will help the user of this system to able to find car workshop by using web server. By using the system, a user is capable to find car workshop nearby UiTM Jasin. The best thing when using collaborative technique is easy to find workshop based on the rating review previous user. That means a user will be able to search without wasting time.